In part 2 of the UK School Finance and Budgeting System series, we will look at how the cost center tracker works. First, we'll create a new sheet and name it Cost Center Tracker. This sheet records actual monthly spending and compares it to your budgeted amounts. So now what I'm going to do first is I will show you how to link the monthly budget columns. So for example, the April budget, the May budget, etc. So I've pulled monthly budgets from sheet 1 using XLOOKUP. Let's look at the April budget as an example. Kindly note the formula I'm using. It's quite long, but I've just posted up here for you to look at. Yeah, so if we go on to the formula, the column A will equal the cost center code, and the budget in the budget setup sheet for column A refers to the cost center code, and the column G refers to the April budget. So now what will happen is your budget, monthly budget, will sync automatically whenever sheet 1 changes. Next, we'll add in the or enter the actual spending data. These are your real expenditure figures from finance reports, invoices, or purchase orders. So obviously that is what you need to do on your side, is actually put in the real figures. Now, let's move on and create variance columns. So variance, the formula for variance columns are the budget minus or less the actual column, and that is where you will get your variance. Now, if you have a positive answer, it means that you've underspent, and overspent if there is a negative answer. I've added conditional formatting in all the other variance columns, but we'll use the April variance column to show you what I did. Highlight the variance column. Click on conditional formatting under the Home tab. So if we have greater than 0, it will be a positive variance. And we'll use the green to distinguish between positive and negative. So with the negative being less than 0, so here we will use red if it's less than 0. So that will be we overspent. When we move on to the year-to-date columns, I have entered all formulas for you, and I will show you the one, and then we will move on and, so to speak, just finish up this sheet. So in the percentage spent, we have used the year-to-date actual divided by year-to-date budgeted. As you can see, I've already formatted the sheet as well for your convenience. If you want the full version of this template, please see the link below to my paid store. It will take you straight to that version, and it will have the ready-made formulas for you, variance dashboards, cost center reporting, etc., etc. So thank you for watching, and please watch the next video, which is part 3, the income tracking and forecasting module.